ADANSITRAVELS.com. Now you count to me. Nothing so uti Adom FM ye pa. Especially Ofie Kwanso. Oh. Na ye baby se bisa questions kakra wa ha. Ani kasem ne say yen so the power of 80. Any adance travels ye dey enwagim. Enti obi ani tibetimi aye yiye na questions ye baby se bisa ewo ye Ofie Kwanso no obetimi abɔ no modin ye pa no. Ono amafo otua 8,000 di buki. Ono ye be fa no ka free of charge. Na mene ni mienu afia na yenso akɔ Dubai ni bi wate ase. Me no be ball life one ade be twitwa pictures ni ade be ko gigi ani ni ade wate ase 2 tier ni na fe mo so amhwa Adom TV pa no mo so mo hwa Adom TV mo hwa no kroje pa eno so afia man kwa be ron e wo TV no so enti one lucky viewer eso betimi anya akwanya no afia man kwa toto ano kakra na fa na so anya akwanya no na oni afia man kwa hwim na ne ko na radio no so Adom FM no me so metoto ano kakra na efama ope hwim na me ne ko ware aze etidwo fa ho jimbi na ji wani kakra di panso yo me aba Lizzie Ntiamwa, she was on the show yesterday. Such a lovely lady. I love her voice. And says Scott Eka Chairman say, or one Sembebre or person de Magana for nobody to him. And I'm so when you're here, Memo Aquaniano. Indiana, as someone ye betie near dear to your for Ofie Kwanso dear so answer near there around the world in 5 minutes abano. Says Scott, and a day my a jabusha yen yasum na yentie as some way this week near front to your for Nafi Uncle anymore. I can't see Felix Oil, DBS Roofing, and of MTN. Yeah, share somewhere and area. Yeah, day A2. Yeah, hopeful. Of any young quay.
Roger. As someone there, my person may catch Rubia or the two quote again and say, I told you, I did be air course why I didn't course. Sometimes,
yeah.
As I said, what bomb pie emanimpa only do no, not yourself.
Sometimes
you have to pray for the person leading you, not you the follower.
Okay.
Because said they only do no echia. It's answer woodin a chinti or chia also watchia. It is sometimes you know. The me person me say we shouldn't, for instance, my aunt no maimu and criticize the president. Whilst when you go to bed, you don't even
remember him in prayers.
Yes. Ochia wachia.
Yeah.
He is leading the country. Eto de bia on my yemfani nyina enye kasa. Eto de bia yemfe bi enmompae na yemfai enkai omo a omudi enim.
Oh, okay.
E ba ye fie mu a ebetimi aye ebia wukunu. He's the head of the family. Eto de bia men hwe mfom so nkwana men complain too much.
Okay.
Eto de bia he is leading the family. And kwanalo look up to him. Eto de bia bompa man say
so you have to pray for him.
Pray for him.
Send a man more insight. Knowledge obet media lead family no.
Ebe lead family. Send a beya family ni enko amani.
Because otomene mu family na tomene
mu. Because oko answer na we movie.
Good.
Enti dia me pese make can say sometimes Pray for your leaders. Eboa wankasa mu.
Okay.
Sani ebe ya wonso be ye leader na wo de chire obi a obi nso ebetimi ayeden abom paye e de ama ema weni ngi se de bia se braje ribet na na okasa fine but bisa wonso oma weni gi na wa ka chire ade se de bia onma no sa hoode no de ohwehwe bia onye ma number bet na so se na bia de bia obe ye dwuma na wo de ane se de bia wo ane se abotre na wa ba bet na so okasa there be sometimes those leading you pray for them.
I love that.
Thank you.
Love that. Such a beautiful message. Let me put my hands together for you. You've done well, and it's just so much on point. You know, asemna wakano enye asem ketwa san wakano remove ba. Then you are just complaining. But you need to pray for them because if they lose it, also so watch you.
Yeah.
So pray for them. Say the be your monchia.
Yeah.
No
That's it.
on be ye na ebietimi aso. I love the message. Yami Shaw for sharing this with us. Why? Abuja your first was sedano. Emma sponsors omo boy wo sikasem. Emma yetimi ni say di mamudane den nyina. Phoenix oil. Oil papa wunya bigu ka mu a wawie. Kama pa. Na we know ya to ebo ase de niam papa na aye. Ya che say egu car na engine na a clean engine na a protect engine and whilst the engine is working out no na say cool engine am say the be pressure emma engine so p available in petrol and diesel variants you know say the car na TBA na wa pe so and all there price no so there e da form boko phrase 0544 343 674 and 0544 338 240 na ejo there Phoenix oil Bossu oil afa DBS Industries osebra na ebeje alusin trusses for good dinosaur enkofa enua betimi abu kanka betimi ahwe ebetimi apro idatom ebetimi ahye ba alusin trusses ne de said de tia na tia nyehwe what I say lightweight nti emfa pressure so emegina dinosaur obetu bia ma warranty won bebre because in say what I say no bon so nye den sa tipe bia kira kwan behunu e was Spintex Road ufie so enche bia no do papa restaurant frɛ 0240844444 yebetimi about site won ya be free estimate amount kumase phone frɛ 0506004141 na takrade for frɛ 0506004242. Finally, as they do from MTN and they or the SME Plus ABBA, and this is good news for small to medium scale business owners. Nina say with the SME Plus, oba bit mienya kwenya no wa manage wa operational cost in communication. Now service way emo akwenya no ultimate choose from affordable packages. Now I enjoy talk time, SMS, data, and a business content all bundled in one subscription. The other exciting news net is that unya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Itibomodia net dial is *5060 hash. Net sign up and yes are free and I send the WhatsApp FACO 0244 308 111 for more information and stay connected everywhere you go. 106.3. Let's enjoy this one briefly. Now for your bar around the world in 5 minutes. Says Scott Tatsnasi Yen Famreal. His name is Harry Aban, and he calls this one Maye Crado.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Fox, we are chompy.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
That's right, yeah. And a happy birthday going out to Stanley, Nana, Dintra. Okay. Okay, so happy birthday to Stanley, Nana, Dintra, Anderson. SIC Insurance Company, Waterma area office. The message here says, be happy for today. You were born to bring blessings and inspiration to all. Happy birthday to you. And this one's coming from Mrs. Jemima Quadison. Going out to you, Stanley. Enjoy your birthday. On that note, you know, yeah, they around the world in 5 minutes, bet 12 so. And of course we are saying. So Scott Adarma, of course we are saying. And you better, sir. Around the world in 5 minutes with Scott. Hey, you see what? See what is about for us over your phone. Say Scott!
Right, Jerry.
I love one for you. Yeah. What was that? I don't know if that was on Friday. No, I was on an answer for Jeffrey. Say, Uchi radio, and I'm so mad. I was fat of the tea radio. And I was there, some country here. By now, there's some of our bills born. I was here. Come don't tell me if you don't want to. See what I know, or say I did. And I'm sorry, we saw ya. Who did it to say? Come is the answer. Oh, come on, cry. A brand new. And so, Jack. Shush. Say what I go there. Mini Aquaba.
You never happen.
Say, BBI cool.
Yamiato, BBI cool.
Then Yamias.
I also saw who you did.
Adominity, BBI Kama.
Yeah, that Tridian Ponyanko Pombasa Yadon.
Sure.
Rajery.
Yea.
And there we am running a call. In fact, I am a man who be brave and I chat to Instagram almost a main church and woman. But I am person Matias say, and running to meet me more be into winning
and also a new music for you.
Yeah. Into winning. Ubia or pese. So, Nipan pese me dedicated show no manu.
Yeah.
So, pese me chiano, me chia will be biara. Watch at me, I was a man chiano, me chia. Okay. To me, body because me body ever call. Intimate will be a. Right. Will be a. Or support it, says Scott.
You guys
are fantastic.
Yeah.
And Yamisha Munina, Mechia Munina. mechia mu nyina Bradley
okay
yentin sinsem ni
yenko enim
Bradley unimu say if your boyfriend I don't know Bradley if your boyfriend can calculate when you have your period my sister don't worry sponsor him to a medical school yes if say Bradley if your boyfriend can calculate when your period comes and forget your birthday, don't worry, sponsor him into a medical school. Okay.
All right.
Now, Brother, Unim said no amount of makeup can change the face of unhappy woman.
No amount of
makeup can change the face of unhappy woman. Or ban in makeup or ye makeup said ding. So, oh yeah, I'm telling you from experience, you know. Meaning Jamaican. Brother, when a lady tells you, say, tell me more about yourself, she's really asking, say, whether you work or drive. Not this nonsense, say, I'm loving and caring, me pacho.
Tell me more about yourself.
Opeso bisa say, uchika. And now wait man etua sen e hono na nani chire not this nonsense so I'm caring and loving that me pa cho mo pesa
5 feet tall
5 feet enye saade no na opa chire kura enye saade no na opa chire kura
yeah so eduma na edin
pa gradually a man aya mo kabro fi bi matrimonial home enokra wo hwe ne bedroom ne 4K pictures
including the wife
enokra no or the wa ba be that's we cheat one irechi now your tiny boyfriend edewa ye ne DP when yaje you think you are safe emumpa mekaka mo sisi someone cry ne yere dem ne ma pictures bo ho cry no wa hwa nyame anim we nsuro pictures na mbo no pusa amo abagum now why you do ye deep you think you are safe
so you secured
oh
tell them
no Bradley choosing a good father for your kids is better than choosing a handsome husband for yourself.
Choosing a good father for your kids is better than choosing
a handsome husband for yourself.
Okay.
Catch them, man.
You, omwati.
Eye futu.
Omwati.
We eye futu. Eye futu. Brother, yenchini kakra wa.
Yanko enim. Ebre krako yanko enim.
Krako. Aye. Oh, say Enra me be story bi a make catch say na Mali president. Wo crowd ka say what ya na ye no so assassination bi person ke ko so attempt omo try ya. Empenifo enemy di nkoma wo mo che say omo ye nhwehwemu ehu nipa sua won yin pese wo mo yes ade. You know. Yeah, mechanics or be on committee.
Yeah, to look into that.
Okay. Na musumbo. Na yensu mu say yeah power. Bradley you are so be pa. When him say Zuma Jacob, former president of South Africa. Ne younger brother Edda former wewu.
Onkwa na obo ne dino the other way around sao. So be a kind of Jacob Zuma.
Media Zuma ba. Maybe a different.
Yes.
I'm a different person.
We're different. Ada me Judy.
What you say?
Yeah.
Now, other prison. And Oma chere say omo man one day say na be obeka ko sie ni nua.
Yeah.
Yes. And say untimi nhye prison abia ni ye ba be sie ni nua. Enti no omo dia ankrata na babonte a wo mo chere say with police escort.
Oh, okay.
Obeko na wakwa akosie ni nua no owi ya na wasen abehye prison hoboko.
Okay.
We die intokwa bia
ni.
Yes.
All right.
Bradley mami fa unwie ewo India. Na me sorry so.
Sembe na esi ho.
Ekuafo a omo wo kire se prahye bedwafo e wo ho oma pass bill bi me kire law bi a go yi against them. And you know, one more be demonstration near the Parliament House. Almost say no farmers, no food. And only dear, almost no farmers, no food. Omania bre. Now one more person, one more year, sa demonstration. And in Bradley, that is that.
Okay.
Bradley,
Yeah.
Media see.
That's it.
But when him say, sometimes, Bradley, sometimes, sometimes the majority means to say, Sebe, the fools are on one side. Do you know that?
Was it sometimes?
Sometimes the majority means that the fools are on one side.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes. Maybe sometimes I
can't. Okay.
Good. Good. Rajery.
That's a bit crazy.
I don't know.
But most of the time, though.
What's it?
But most of the time, though.
Rajery, statement.
Most of the time.
What is the most dangerous thing in this world that we should do apart from Nyankopon?
The most dangerous. I'm sure.
I say usuru Nyankopon.
Say
the ono nka ho. We are simu nyina animals ka ho. The one pan
animals. Animals there.
Lion.
Oh, there be lion there. Me said them show lions. Minim say they are lion when they enjoy me, but the show is snake.
Sir.
Okay. Say snake be kumi there. Lion when they enjoy me kum kra and come pe no mum sa.
And the meka same be me nchire.
Okay. Menya ya obi a.
Wonim. Me kai Sunday school say yes, Abranche be the Samson Okun lion.
Yeah.
And na obi a friend Delilah Ekum Samson.
Yeah.
Menchira masemu. Me dey at the Scott.
I knew it.
Oko achimoda. Ye fe kro bi kejebi.
Oka.
Na we jebi. Na dey sugar. Sir Scott, say no ultimate spell man here. Scott na my spell man SCOTT. Search me there now follow me.
All right.
French in the catch says Javel
Capel.
Is a brother me no me no dey tata said den.
O menyabo.
Makra brother.
Oh man. So that was Around the World in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Coming up. Hey, Irrigated Sports. Stay here on 106.3 FM. Into this one. Mensah from Reggie Rockstone and Mensah.
Adom FM 106.3. Feeling it deep.
So I ain't changed. You're the one who's acting strange in your ways. Yeah, with any job, and I mean, me, why I'm a corporate. And so now you're comedy, I'm more fret. Now me Dina head, and some Medina call ya, yes, sir. Now me need be share, and send me home when I'm best friend. No more, but yeah, strictly papaya. Man, boom, so, Obi, I'm with it. I feel to me, can't it? No more can tell me this car, yes, and ball, I never there. Mess, I want when you make patch. I ain't ready, chairman, I'm up, share, that's the so. Reggie, swing now, my memory, Obedon day, almost send me a hip life for snow. Keep on, she my flow. Miss Africa, why you pay me pro? Say, this go Benny Ghana, Reggie Ferrum. What is the Honda matter? I just have me crucial. Did you be crying here, boy, and Sam, and Cola whom I need a come? Show business, memo, Tico, carry.
One, two. This is Reggie Rockstone. I'm tuning to my man Jerry Justice. JJ, that's you, and you're not the ex-president or second president.
Get it right, you better yet, I'll let you know the name Mensah by spelling it letter by letter. Go ahead, kid, and spell it quick. M's mature, the mind's broad, body's young, so the looks don't tell it. I'm trying to be the true shot, not like them guns and pellets. The E tells me every day still remains the same. And if I change my lifestyle, I give it a suitable name. And John's prosper, better yet, Jerry Mo change. But I don't mind, I walk with no shoes on old roots, and I'm forgetting every old lane. The N's for Nubian, Ethiopia. windows, glass are moving in. Because of you, I wear my old clothes for this video. X was still silly, yo. Nah, just kidding, that's for serious. We smile and play a lot, but ain't no player haters killing us. We keep the rumors coming in, cause we're fat and you ain't feeling us. And hey, yo, what more could I say, yo? I guess I'm alright and always doing it all night and all day. This rap thing is a war and we still fighting. I'm needing you by my side and not the backbiting. So if you think that you have seen change, the reason why I'm writing is you. I check the hook, dude. Check the hook, dude. Check the hook, dude. Check the hook, come on. Biana minyo bikasa tina frame the mante patro memo boom for me ya botre papa kra humanity me
go for pini me oh man tell them we na coming you and no chance me for you
let's say hip life into me akasa minimum wadaje be ba be yini be do that's why you shit man, Bompire Mammy.
Remember when you bring me?
You change, I don't change.
It's a party man, Bompire Mammy. Remember when you bring me?
I'm the same, I don't change. It's a party man, Bompire Mammy. Remember when you bring me? You change,
I don't change. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Listen, party people.
A happy birthday going out to Mr. Kevin Ofori Atta. Nyame Onsha. Na onye okese said the wo eyo pepa sa abrini na obeboa nyame adwuma no nyame ehwe so na onsha kopem so obeye nhira sofu ya usu ansa so we show happy birthday nyame kan wo pani into me as a sada semese sana usuba na manabasa tijai kasa yes, so it be so no we day near the idea what I said. You the oh no yeah, if you check yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what it is, y'all. A happy birthday, though belated. And come out a year Ata Bruni Mansell or Kaswa. Yesterday was your birthday from a Krapin brother. Let's end it. That's it, baby. All right. Yaman penny phone kasa na yanko yanim.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. A papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. I feel so for Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Now they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
Great. Offer.
Open program one Dede Sham Fast Sports one T irrigated sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Mo. Kwame Akwaba.
Akumejo so.
What to say?
Jana Adom ya tempo anu dia just am yam wan yeti.
Oh yeah. Ajabri.
Agu.
Akwaba.
Yania.
Empur mu to say.
Oh, Nyankopon Adom arakwa.
Good. Yeah.
Unso o ma me tro back no be ya cho nko na oboti o tinde me pe kwa da bi was
na me boba akwiti
de hwe me was me come anim me bon hwe ma ye ma pieto wa wonya me so me nya wo bo sa nyu me bon hwe ma de ha ko ka kre bo bi ma me ache for the past 3 months me nya nwum wo
ye wa carry me bo ma ya wo te
Obama ni wi am wom de
me mpesua sa o
me Obama
me dia o beje
Obama ni wi am wom de
ani me na Moses so betuma fi Moses
me dia ni lidodu
Moses ye ma wa ba no so
o de wa nka lidodu gra de bi o da me ka
lidodu
and it's a very nice song. But the coming groom, de Nancy Mandela,
me come nim me bon shrema
why am I Pietro and ya wonya me so be me nya wo waka wana me come nim na me bon shrema wo ya koya nim ya bon shrema S24 quick action why am I Pietro and ya mo nya ya so be me nya wo Makamana, Yakoya, Nina, Yabon, Ramawo, so I shall to man, we are children and say, were you the dada? Uncle, I'm saying, now don't young so. What does Uncle Siam month after it? What the trash one? What the pay him one? Double power do the on what the damn crew will be. Hey, some man, Nico, and the problem was when you pano, when you put your when I walk down to know was, you know, mammy, no, I found one day, there's a real Uncle now, what our country, I smell to a pet. I didn't know, I read your phone. We'll be able to come in him, may watch your mouth. Why am I Pietro? And one yummy. Meso baby, yawo. Waka wana, me come and you na me bonjour ma wo. That's it. That's it. Why any na yango point na Niki nyame to nkwa na mwate. Oh, na enyo be na aso pe no. Lidodu oya da. Lidodu okro be say.
Oh, Ghana.
Lidodu, the last time I mean no Germany.
Mo say out our brochure.
No Germany, but I mean him say.
Why did me boy what Lidodu you can want.
Hey, Lidodu what 24/7.
Already is you.
When you say when you nkwa no pe.
Yeah, go there now. Oh, okay.
When you say we the fire. O start born nkwa na wo hefa.
Yeah, go me some bete nyu.
Ah, yeah, o start born na wo hefa.
Yeah, go me some bete nyu. Me me da bo.
Ah, wo say enyu be na aka no. Ankwa na akwa no.
Awanyu bi ankwa no me. Amakuma madia tamye.
Ah, I be hwe sa no because me akwa na.
No, ni tio. No. Kwame Nkrumah, CPB, Nelson Mandela, Adia Sayen.
Oh yeah. But also what I say about it. WWE this year. It's as good as today. Oh yeah. That time no. No more should they invest in their instrumentation.
Tawale mo invest ya na. Mo mo kase mo yo.
Mo de mo ya na mo de me na ko to.
Dabi mo say that time no mo invest.
Me say tie. No, listen to Asem na America no. Lido my interview that.
Maybe you want to take it back again. What's now can.
Asem na me go so can. They invested in the act pare this time. producer omoye nyumuyi omoye BT o three free artists guys o chale I get some beat for you not the beat na send no o hwe ya o no atunu nyumu ahiem omoyi those days no all the instrumentalists now will gather in the studio. What I say, they will all gather in the studio and then they play, right? When they are recording, if one person makes a mistake, they have to stop and do the whole thing again. And that sort of investment in America, and then remove investment and come on.
And you my sleeping my jamfi.
I want Snoopy. And a blaster cup to do a year and you have your as a man. When are you come to say, when are you come one? My old friend will say, yeah, mom and your no. Down the friend in the fire. It is you say, Obi, friend of are you bed? How are you from your I said, Obi, I said, Obi. When you come, yes. I'm a brother. Tell me, Obi. Would you want the vow? I don't know what's on cassette your producer.
It's in our engine. It's in our echo.
On your man now can. On say now confuse. Musa oka lidu na. Musa me say akwankwa na mni. Musa akwankwa and na lidu nyum. But what they na oka no. Kwadwe nyum na so say they are not want to know. See ke why now and na kwadwe nyum.
Okay. So
anyway. They are now can in I could I feel what you want to say. Also, the meaning now you do near there.
High life, what you say? Yes, high life.
Brown Chammy, you do or what?
Your samba. Oh, what?
I never come up. About every crowd was it. So I knew our boy and one of his favorites.
Oh, Ed. Baby, no, can't say I brought from then. Or can someone I
don't blame that Brofon because I brought free Ghana has 60 years at Chum. Yeah, said that you papa be be so can on pound ground 20.
And a papa things fall apart. The basa the center cannot hold. It is said the omububu ye.
What on was a credium? What on that?
What much?
What I say? It's a bad check. What I say?
Because Waku, I'm not one of me say, hey, it was here, you're training a company will be a can you be more here. But in any money, I still are over be made. It's African country be a twin of us in your family.
Muno need
yeah, was in him to do.
Your cousin be near Grand High out if you ever got
already and I say, you do for him say, Tom, say, where say, Apostle Kodusa or helicopter obey, and may I put them so down because of the announcement. I said, I don't know, the Copper Park be Pete was as if a bar my baby aduane afa. Oh adwe o mitimu am fine. Oh because Miss Rose wa na o she dem wa
because 60 years down the line they kwaku to say it
mentality no enye
Kwaku and then I'm starting the show on a very sad note. We say consider show na me ye no Abraham start ye na guy bi baba ye aerobics was so. Ono ye aerobics ni wie e fe na kowua. Oye aerobics ni won't see say abo bi 2 or tantra house amanawu.
Ono oye den
Kwaku me say ubu some cause of death make say a bullet. Ti ebi ka ho bi mu dia me say da enim ma hu say manfo e wrong sem bebre e wo social media ne so ba me de metimi aka ne say yabo ni 2 amanawu e wo mu ana nchechire mu bi ba amanfo ebeti bi say me kan amanfo ebe start atese say menka menim hwe ntimi nka de me say brantie no yese wo ne dem obi akobo ni 2 akunu a kese waye nyame dia sesia me ne okasai oye gym instructor enti ye share show na se no na ye aerobics enti through akuma mama Zimbi and I got to know him enti na oba ye di kan aerobics ni wi a na ansana me the show no 2 time no atoa so na anopa me ti asem no ye me yie pa san se Kwaku ye nyina wo obi a won da ye so a wo so ogusu aye so abra ye bo na ye da ye so Kwaku say dey make out ase what you in the next 5 years you know what you want to do but say sudden death ba mu pa na dream ni nyina so asiagu timti se obi ewu mpatu opatu a aya na etimi ha me pa nti onyankopon fa na kra ensie yie na busuafo nyina so omo kekere omo re na de be pie mu bia so yamfa nkame atiefo ye be ma atiefo ate na Kwaku eno ho asem no afei eno atwa mu no the skipper of the Black Stars Andrew Ayew say in the o hwe no e wo Europe ba bia unhye da enhu ni sa
he ne ekohuni
say de o Doha
Kata
eni na mabono Doha sana mo kano
Doha
na ya wo dai eni wa ko pie mu wo Doha wade ni nsa ehye enkrata ase ama team bi e fe ne se Qatari no na okobo sese
no na chese kata na
team fo ni bia the team ni din ni Qatari no it say the o hwe Ghana Blaster captain a o hwe English Premier League ni mo unhu no o hwe Spanish League nso mo unhu no Italian League Janapa but oba Qatar League ni mu dia on sabeka Andre Kwaku Abrante no sika na wo kɔgye no emu oduru enti amanfo nyina conclude se Kwaku eduru mri bia na yesika no nko na mebusa se Kwaku ayampa se esika no nko should it always be about the money?
Oh, there be.
Because how would team in say a station be approach when sika no so say Adom FM make I got offers like that but to the bia wo hwe sika no no wasan hwe ni ma bia ka ho ba me so
Ekasika no
kwa ni ha
yemu bebre
ya me kura me ti ha kura no etako committees bebre ba me kenkan mu a me se dabi na aba ba tram ba bi na me di me hia na man no kɔ na wɔkɔ no bebre ka sɛ ohwɛ ni mfie no a say the day is about 31 years old na Kwaku ba bia football no ɛkɔ sese no enye mpanifo adwuma so you be out here ball pa sa ayi Copa America ne nya to bo ase hwe bi a o say football no enye mpanifo adwuma sese let me give this up
but what can you offer us we are being away sa Copa America sa ayi owe
sa botantana ya mo
no mpanifo ne obeka so mo kasa na enye fe kung fu football be no mo bonza o da bi wo munya na enye dabi oti ye nyina na ye bobo ata say Andre
is it enche 10 years no badju no
ade ko kata into my captain asamo de no China so captain last time
say oko ana ukobo no ba
oh na man asamo no
asamo
say ubobo ni duana
na asamo aja call ai
ye no awie
oh na so
obese
ko China
kwa abebo ai Lagos City what are you talking
about
Lagos City
e di ale na abeso eza du beso chese opani beje apostle beje
oh beje dia don dia beje
how my we the just ya do retire
oh no dia
captain band no
and I see party akobo asna na o professor nka wonka ayiwa chese wa dimoti no kra yes a player ina say na o captain so o Qatar compared the two
oh Qatar dey football it's all about money sada me dey be hu no de Kwaku abobrew
abosman me kai na chese
abofo na batch
am team am see team dey outside
Qatar
yeah
oh oni we hodi obo wi anu
I don't know why this
Qatari no obi of Africa tabe.
Obi akomo he you know.
Assad.
Yeah.
And Qatari giant some from.
Droba no munyi ko bi hono mo ko.
Assad. ALSADD.
Yeah.
Assad. I want to say Osina kan say.
Na Kwame Twen. Kwagu.
Yes.
Hona did Drogba no nyina ko wie yo.
Assad hono.
Oh. Hono ko ha yen sama football mu bi mu.
And say o ka de chia na.
When kan de chi ono na ka.
Andre.
O se captain ban 10 years no po bi no.
I say we are okay. Eyi ti a obedwa pa o.
Kobe Stone
ti obedwa pa. Andre as a
na me ka kodu ni say at the age of 31 no. Be football ni move ko no o be retirement because they say 22, 18, 25. Agro ankwala ni di ni kwaku. Wo yopani udi agro a ho be sesew. But the day so o hwe no a career wise a waye bi. Wabo Swansea, wabo Fenerbahce, wabo teams be bra what top. They say no skanu mu ye de dia na sese kwa no kopebi na odi. San se kwaku $220,000 a month.
And yes, say yes baby e do. Office aba ya reject na
say consider
going for
yes you adwuma ni.
It's ana kan dia and say going forward when this guy go yi beto no so pa na say ye gina
bakwaku
ye ka check what say
radio retirement age any football dia nyepe unim ayan konkonko
oh that's off as this year ya no jam over no there be send akra na no ayi kakra say na wa kan kra na you no. Now you are basso on the 3rd of September. Yes, such a what? Yeah. You do it's
radio no retirement. They won't want to do football. No radio. You trans and yeah. And you could check. What team trans and come.
Radio. Say, what question alone?
Yeah.
Now talk what?
I'm call retirement. Now me because yeah, a lawyer be or court to pay. We. Obano. The PA ekura. Ne files ne ade no e na okura walking stick e na hwe odisi wa
onimra sa wa chia
anu aka so wa chia say yo na ode walking stick ni si wo say ya why
judge for cross road
oba de aba
za no de ya
judge for cross road
owie za no ye ya na ye sa bie ka na chima no ye ya wa tino kuno eh papa yi
oba za no tie no kire nkwara no
eh say wo
kwaku sa no radio ni tie radio go tina che wo munti dede no 220,000 there pa cho kwaku eh me krampo a nka me consider 220,000 anya a year a month the consider ma fo bia no consider first one consider second consider third for no akwa $220,000
go mu hu mo sa no mbetimi dia dada wo na ko dura na ntua na unim se
oh but a team like
oh asamoja dia no make catch wa kwa minya botre na we mu sa ombecho no
for 419
e bedu ba bi no ma chere so budget no kwenti ntimi support ntini e sada be dia
asa nya ntua na nko be
radio stations ko bi mu yesa wade wa fare ma kama unya free ba bi won ko di ho wie pa was income ne ma
ndeti ebum
entika no petrol ya jama
but ayana enya wan inform so
yo ko e want be
bebre na no
okwa won fansin
ya na kekekwa oh yes say you know bibiri na ye na fofo
oh are you friends
jai sa bibiri ye na fofo won ye bu say na no ba ku say ba ku ya nke ye ya me ya ye na fi de ba ku fro do ku
wa ma
ade ya wa ma de you
ba ya nke ye
e bon se ku ha de wo se bon
o ya ko wo so ba ya nke ayira
what there was a bomb
etoda o be ana obi mkura timi ye advert and me trust you then o be timi advert o be kwhwe na 80% you free I'm the bogu mama phone say so be na eso ha de ye kan ba ko pena ya just kan na what I say
ko je bi bidro be ten bi so na waye chokoro ni na ojiru botum
oje skana no ya chen botum
kwa ko majuma
ogu adwuma no kwa ayi kwa 220,000 without tax. Just yen take one tax.
Most of them sana ya net.
Player, I'm say Samoa na player bia contract sa no demand
but asamo de so no press kan come de ne kan ka ba na ya tell
oh why omo rectify bibia ma
tuatua
oh yeah
just say dey betua
na de omo ye ne say bedru ba bi na afi ye say de ade ne ye no nti na yes ye no san yanka wani da so bia wo baji billions of cities no ni ate ho no ne contract ne say
okay
nti ya bro
abrogate contract entirely but we can say bia why 1 year eye yem fancy a wajib sika akọ
na nye oh say clause no de be shem say bedru ba bi na say bia ye ntumi a
yeah
every party ways nti wo so ja tisi kan din pufo no manager yo yen kwaje ya
so free transfer
nti we de ni nyina ye ndia na mum on prepare na captain man no in number 10 on fengo
why are you saying that you keep saying that
why you are saying that
me cry me tina so pushing the day are you to hang over
the captain my Black Stars captain komo ball kata o
what if Okono excellence way
how dey play o dey apart from one dey player be na ni di ho kata o
she who dem say
one guy say o player be na ni
Zavi na yom coach o Barcelona Zavi na yom coach
na him play when him coach is o ma susako go
David says wo ha kra ne say yanga
how ne say hono dey sika dey ye
Ghana Black Stars captain ko si akan wen
o dey anya hwekras na ye yes it's far better than
any party one say na o kan
say any party
say na o kan na was na say
wonim say the sankrofo no ma ye wado kromu a
kwakoi the other no kro oh na say Ghana ni boy
ko ne ko hwe massive yipa say development e ko so kromu na hwe omo stadium sisi on mo for the World Cup winner de masa omo wani abre
me be asua bobo no so no bobo me say kata de mo bobo juma no
o de tra o de ja no o de ja o de kika de opa
na mum ye team no de captain ban no ye duro no
wo de kwaya de defense bobo ka
let's move on to the can go me say changes na nyodia ye fancy ye akwa me ko
league house gi ye de coffee
na adwumbo no
ahon sansam entwada esan de enkrofo bi ye nti sabe am no kasa ye say as good any interallies players na ye involve ne team management na ye de sobo ana tabo ana sobo tabo atom so say obia entumi entu kwan enfri Ghana ha enko krofufuru bia so esan say yeguso hwehwemu nti tremfan travel ban no e bi atom so kutisi ye investigations ni nyina awie say player na o say ongo nikipa na to bom yes abo say ndie anra ya kase omko face committee but apart from no so omaka nyina no
the entire team na
dem obia kwan ama ni ntu kwan enfri Ghana ha say kutisi ye wie hwehwemu ni nyina kat na ni abre kwa so me di twa to ma me ato aso no asam na ya reho efri asama na eba ma me do so me moni kruni di na me se dabi me mo ene say papa ni mayam ye no mko one school class 2 ba ko na class 1 ba ko na ankwala ni school fees no omo tua half aka half omo guso bra mu nya ntua ana ma me na ye na homete ana ko bo besia ma ni kruni se ono ko dwa so ti ni kunu enko tua school fees ne nka ye no kwa ku papa ahwanyam yanim ade school fees na akotwa bet oh na ye de latest ankwala ni bag mu ano no ye fast ye yi
se de oba nu hu se
no wa read no obo to atwene baabi eti when na teacher for na me o manura ana mo frame ma me se ma me o my school fees nka ye o so me de mami kuzo metua efre ezimeka mebondi efre papa ejina wasa hiko osu dada ya skano me kona na madafu mami osu ni ya dey no mo di twa bet
ya no mo di twa bet
obi ma ne osu na kwa ne osu ye na odi sika na ko twa bet no ageze oba ikwa so ko bo bi so obi ono ne ton ade o dwa so
SMB kura
so no dey besia aban di sika na ko twa bet irresponsible
now we
how could he
na bet no kwa about vetting we say bet responsible uta ka sa asem de pa
that responsible
now to bro
na wo no
wasane banana
everybody be great me the betwim kura say utwa for nyansa ton na wanti oba school fees
6 million or go twa bet
how do you use that money for betting
go twa bet system immediate program ni so ti o asama
wasane banana
asikwa me boni di
say na no adan so akwa bi ono so e manage obi fuel station man sika go yi ono so kwata me go e ga say
kwa ya no so mbu machine
woni mse na shopping mall bi e wo ka so a agu
za
mo na gu
akwa de ko papa yo men's gold obi adwuma obi amano no nhwe so
ko tennis kan kakra
na woni mse asofo bebre kra sorry sika kodi mo
bebre men's gold the cut across
and bebre
omoje ji tight na
bebre say
osofo ani brefo wa je tight kwa tene no
sofo ya oba ha
oh titi say ma ba ko bi amamoyi odimu akotine
amamu nanu ya ba ko na we yi
imprimpri amamoyi odi mu akotene pa je se niema bibli ho no an side ho an na mo ansa na we so obekweti na wa obecho se na ono so pudu pa ena ne ho na abra na ade ne ba bisi no se unze na me ne e business ne ade ti abra we ni bisi no se na filana nam kwa so ba se de bisi ni ena when tia na so se wa hwa mpija pudu ne da ho na ebekam ti se sa e ho na omma me asutira mam yechem kwam kun ni pudu a na cheze won kika no na cheze ebuban to no se odidi mu ba so eso say no offlent no otim koma pudu no so ansa na o opani na say di ti eduma bomba na ma papa ya wo nti ade ne fa ba bia o ba bia
asofo e di obi abosofo bi di mi se oh nasa bebre
bakusama no ho nam
se na no ade ye ya ayi wen di ayi ide hwan oko twiti ye na unzo no ye wi ana ode Ghana shall prosper bi asheto na amanfo so mu Twitter no say you have no shame wo be Twitter safa ready sigana wen wo che ba bi o Twitter no so ko
akwa pere wose Ghana fo bu fu nyo atisa wasanye omno so hati wi ba so probi kenu
akwa pere wose
now you see telephone music different from still a Ghana for tia
be share tia se enye yi
men's go there
makwakuti anu no
enfa binya sire wa yesra mo monka fra
fani anu no
sari anu dwan ho su sari anu
kromo I wonderful
sika sam de so ko di sika ho dwane ka boba na koye court asema opa fa che sika no ahye
se court kura betimi atu atiem se se ne ana kwa
woni ha na ba mai ka se wo puduo bi wo cat ye fro say
Dubai and you so ko
wo kwa ko faba na fe ya dia betia ka
ai ofa seche popro you know em say date no when is okay sky the for farm this year we know 31st July ya because you call 1 week no it is almost say
next week
me room model no adwuma na e ba ya che no e me room model
it 31st July ya na e ba so e wo Echoing Hills Village baby e koye 1 week na e ho na e yi me ba so ya
ma me mra mu hai na afi na me so yesi na ministries so o mso wate asore you say why suffer man Ghana they say ya na they suffer na make us say champion CEO Ofia na ya mponza kotoko CEO hesu betima pass through ananka ya na onim Safa Rangers yes this committee yes Sabri yam form nko yemu team no cry yam form nko third division pelifo mu nya ya charge o mne ade na wo mo ye appeal you say appeal no call na gina ama say make us yes tabo at 5 years ban ne ade ni na nemum
ba say o me ko division 3 no
yes and you be bona na ya mponsan so ne hu so obetima koye na adwuma isanse obi a charge na kwaku league ya ba wie ho asem a epie bana na odene na nsam a metete no eni hwehwemu a hya ase no kwaku sese ne be kwa se enya me wanwa so beti se yese league no ya declare no null and void
na yeso tantan sa de ho na se
obi aso ani ku
anu ro di aduane ade na odi da anu anyum de
kwaku it is alleged.
Now what did you eat for supper yesterday?
It is alleged. Say league no betting no start here match day 4 and I bet no start.
I don't know betting.
Oh master,
but betting there say be part of
it. Man, example back we see we are football.
And first time we
Kotoko still can't get over this league has no. They can't get over it. They see Kotoko continue issue statement grandpa congratulate yen. How bad it is.
Me ti wada ro na mi bo.
But me go to myself. You need to league.
Kotoko mama baso say.
Kwaku.
Yeah, the chairman is saying can go and call him up to date.
Kwaku. Me dey dawro na mebo.
Then you want me.
Na dawro na wona dawro ni nya, o dawro na mebo.
Dawro fun ye ba betie. Yeah, no bro.
It be seen the mutimi nka say house. Oh, your mama mo say
no official statement.
Me catch say
no official statement.
Ade papa ye to aba odi ntwo ko.
Okay, say my grass still say. On farm open you.
Say Mahama on carry na na.
Am I?
4 years ago when you go second boy.
There be also 4 years better.
NDC as a party Said
the norm is that all the figures normal battle. Say a serious pa. We for phone the bill first day now. Oh, okay now. Oh, Papa we
Mahama can call another minimum union.
Oh no. They do it. Omo ye pa omo man ye nu. Abra my years I want to say ono so de dey court no. Say e call ya say omo ka say una bo na ento aso no. Say Danado congratulate him. So what I say
who says Mahama afa kotokofo su man
but who knew there was it
congratulate
some make us information ma pekene say nana ya mpon say congratulate him o wasempa
nana ya sisia
yes
the family kid da ben
it doesn't matter about sisia Mahama so yes sisia be ka say
we need an official statement from the club as Kumasi Asante congratulating Accra House of Folk as winners of the 2020-2021 winners.
What do we are
my point. I need your back company at you. Your official statement with collected head
on the trouble. You understand treat
say
I go him some make say o ma pa abedoku o mo ye hwemu fa match betting na e course no. Ama some make say it is alleged say
alleged wa
draft skipper go mienu bia oje to na tenamu Kumasi ni Cape Coast.
How many team benabo?
Media makama sama wi. Oje ba ku Kumasi je ba ku Cape Coast. No mo hwe ye se de wo ye ade no. Wono so it is alleged say enye nwanwa se bia. Obefrem. Na nya no nkwaku. Se de akoso ne se sa betting ni na no wo mo se o mo investigate. Because a good gun anymore se pa.
They say gas and gun anymore.
Na adeno shas ya no na nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ yɛ bi sports journalist ne bi hyɛ aseɛ sɛ wɔn mu yi mpani asotire sɛ yanom nkurɔfoɔ no hyɛ bɛten no ase baabi a ɔpani nya ntakyi obiara mekyia no ɔpani
ne tam nyana bɛte no wɔ hɔ ɛtuma ma examples nyanta ti tam nyana to the extent sɛ yɛka sɛ local league kora betting company sɛ they won't accept local league betting nyanta ti time ɛbaa yɛ nyɛ nnɛ
oh nti ɛbaa yɛ nti ma menkyia
fra ofra na sɛ na
ɛnyɛ metere nka na akyerɛ mekyia
anya Jesus ah Kokude me cannot say. Because do to the point local league kwani e mete wo so. Because omo say fixing boom.
Kwame.
Don't take time.
Kwame. Me say. Me chia opani nyante.
Ani e chia no because o chia no sa ha.
Ona me chia.
Ona say ka football sam kra mo ni din.
Ma boni din.
Court ma be fa.
No ma be fa benko. Zuom. Enti it is alleged say ye be hwem be wie no. Teams bidum wo kro yi mu a. Say omo ahuma omo hudi ye. Na the ebobo ba no
ebedi cap na makotoko
kotoko for the
sana obedo ka gosiana
media I wouldn't be surprised
about where you bo bi tu o ka so when
oh
anima bebere si about 20 ye kotu na do
Nevi.
Opani what's my science kaza
media me makacho media
menchia Mr. Godwin Tamaklu Human Energy
and so many abako na yere Feni Manuel Boache aka Ella Goldberg and Kofi Goldberg you know and na the birthday itini man happy birthday
na menchia Mabel ewo Tamas Kitchen ena Mr. Azu ne mame no so no weekend we na baso grandma Azu
yeah
weekend we na ye baso
kwa for details no WhatsApp me
well come to 2 na e be ofie
ba bia ye ba na
da bia efie
a chire ho no ba bia kwa ye part
udu come to 2 na obi se obi a be che obi za ba bia
Mrs. Azu ye de man kwa anye
Dabi said the can say the Mrs. Azu.
Na yia.
Dabi kasa Mrs. Azu ye. Kasa Mrs. Azu asia ye dabi. Mami, e twi kasa, o kasa pe on na u ti say dey kan. O se chere bo atia ye dey. When we mistake here kan dabi tie. Asama kan nya so say na. Ade o go na titwi.
Kabawu ye na multimedia fo.
Oh, masa.
Kabawu ye no. Aye ni multimedia fo ye.
Dabi tie. Oh, tie. Me ba. Multimedia fo ye.
Na de wo we ko na ye.
Wo se multimedia fo ye. Nya sana kan.
Enti ko na ye. De wo we ko na ye.
O de
ye wo wunu ye ko na ye.
Opani ye twaso.
Yo tiase no ye ko na ye.
Opani ye twaso why?
Muntitwi.
Dabi, o ka say Mrs. Azu ye de. Na che say on wo na wo ko na ye.
Mrs. ko boni di say sia. So owo ho na say na ye de. Man ko bi ye ye ne dia. Because it's connected to the funeral. Sana tie muntitwi. Kwaku
onipa na se na da form o. So ono ye de.
Twi mu ne ko ka say Mrs. Azu ase ye
Dabi.
Ay too long. And more example say Kabawu no be person dey from like I say multimedia for ye. Han ye multimedia.
Kwame.
Multimedia nye nipa ba ko pe.
O say Mrs. Azu Asieu.
I don't want to I want to
na say. Ya na yi. And I say Mrs. Azu ye dey.
Exactly.
Man kwai.
Me the 12 year no class so you are connected.
In a way.
Me empon why?
I am ambiguous. The word is ambiguous.
Mamin show.
I am ambiguity. So what's about for? I am ambiguous.
Oh,
you need to think.
No.
Me ana me hear me funeral announcement upon why?
That's
African who met me answer. Why me? Me ana me hear me funeral announcement upon why? Yapon.
I'm in Ruby Adoma of Kalin Texas.
Yapon obi anko ni vie. And Ruby a year there. Ruby you free we.
One say odofu nkwan.
No make say dey wo wu no yanko na yie.
Madam Fia ye.
We are learning. Kwaku we are learning. Don't
come listen. Madam Fia ye parliament to me anko. Dey ntina want to me anko because Adam for na wu. Ntina want to me anko. Nti ka say Madam Fia ye dey to me anko a.
Share obitimi wu me say.
It will me forget it. Me say me na me okay. At this point, mami do mu mic now. Me say yapon. Asem be yapon mo ko. I didn't have some granny. Funeral announcement about what me ye me ye me I popular. I was your first that can say my proud sponsors. Kel Charcoal Toothpaste. Papa. Oh my emo from da. Kel Charcoal Toothpaste. Papa. Aba I don't know. Abusia okay na no ade ya na yesusu no na ye the body tray yesisi so na ye yam bidie me charcoal na ye the afra na de twitwusia stains bi e wo susu bi ani na beko enu yi na ne ye unsampa se na boy ye panti asan kofa de aba we Kel Charcoal Toothpaste a wunya bi a boy ye Emma unya good fresh breath whiter teeth come up na sakra protect organs no e de ama aye strong e prevent cavity omo nom cigarette ne coffee ne niema ma aye stains timi bomb so no o use Kel Charcoal Toothpaste e clean ni na so so ada kama pa e kan fo de ama bibia we Efi AS Samara Company Limited na FDA for emuhwe mu aja tum se emuye pa and what you first day do Emma NLA they were 539 direct with a very simple amount for gusudia nedia now with your 5 magic numbers from 1 to 39 obeti me with as little as 2 cities at 10 wabra bona around wabra unyeska kese pa NLA they were 539 direct no emu obeti me bet on direct 1 now where we need 20 times your stake now if you are bet on direct 2 then also where we need 45 times your stake and our direct 3 in there and no we need 400 times your bet amount whoa more the year the more you play the more you win it function be and they little kiosks a whole p na mu across the country kwa also person betwa NLA they were 539 na do sikano ebeba we dey e choke cash na eba no Afe Royal Drinks. I see you go like them. Anonia Ed Daniel Muaso to be Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail. Nina if you Casa Preco Company Limited. 2 series 50 pesos now. Why Joe Dear Boko? You go like them. Open the door for 0262 351 251. Afe 0272 133 373. As they do on command Go TV. Yeah, they all show say a band of football, soccer, papa, dia. Ninja Go TV. It's a say La Liga, Premier League, Serie A, any leagues outdoor na kanina, best action with expert analysis, papa on Go TV. With me, I connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. Where bro using my Go TV app. Go TV, love it. I feel in boost herbal mixture any day sorry so. And we never come for the amount. Said no be never immune system no one anything. Said about ya Arabia ba unipeduanwa and one system na immune system na be fight against ya real. Enti amount to one no hospital akoja ya hwe. I face on in boost about mixture bia. Ya Arabia kura wa we dem wa wunim no. Unya introduce a drone bar system no pe no abehwehwe sai ya woni na no wa clean in nephew system no. Eti time bia ho den ya Arabia ntime yi a chen so. Police near do no pebinom na enye dirty works ni nyina ma in boost herbal mixture aka police near do abusia frey 0243 115948 afi 0246 208 496 dodo bia onya bia on sabeka enye sa for any trim our King's Walk Herbal Ekus Pharmacy Widama Pharmacy Tribe of Judah Pharmacy alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country Health Alert Shop of St. John's and I feel Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5 na on sa account there ho Nana Kwesi ewa Düsseldorf for Germany. One abena nyako a aka Atama me. Ya no so Frankfurt for Germany wa. Almost say I'm a lovely daughter Barbara Jam Bibi. I hope I got the name right. Oh yeah, Taifa Burkina. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nyame Uncle Swana Unshana on the mo. Yeah, please help me wish my lovely daughter, Princess Delcy Mame Edu of Gemstar Basic School, Sherman, Switzerland, a glorious happy birthday. She's 10 years old today. May the Almighty God bless her. From Kweku Edu, and also Difia Sherman, Switzerland, nearby. Sherman, hold the route. Sherman, Switzerland. And a happy birthday also going out to Patrick Ousu Menu or Archbishop Andor School, Tema Community 11. May you stand tall among your peers. And spirit recovery going out to you as well. We Ofie Bernard with the sales and marketing department here at the Multimedia Group. And I owe say that's your dad. And Cha and son come AB quality phones and accessories. Ya more La Paz 626 taxi station.
Open Gangnam Style.
We are saucy greetings, Jerry. Today is my daughter's birthday. That's Agnes Abena Safwa Mensa. She's 18 years old today. And we're doing Benimu. I wish her long life, good health, and may the Almighty God grant her knowledge, wisdom, and understanding from the mom, Juliet Amwa, Community 1, Side 17, and also Difi Ebae. That's what I'm here. What's the day?
Say. Na kwamba dia we to menkra
go why wife
was menka nchiro so betere nka ne lawyer for betro why
wife so obema ne lawyers atro kwame okay and the
story bia me hu sesi ya mo fa
yes say I catch him why one story with me kana na metimi aka you know your news Means I'm a happy birthday and Pamela Agbaviade, aka Miss Palmer, grew up to be more than the woman you dream to be and excel in every endeavor you lay your hands on. Enjoy your wonderful day from your uncle, African. And we okay, gym instructor shortly. Yeah, when I'm not no.
We are.
When I'm not this is why. Oh, hey, Ampa. Sadi so there. Why is on you be or will be? Sadi so there. Hey, Asemo. Anyways, yo.
Me dame Huaba.
Hey, Asemo. Ebe, Gametias.
Baby, not more jump out of your bottom. Open Gangnam Style.
Yeah, we are anyway, and then so my sister-in-law on the birthday. A friend of Mrs. Portia, a Duke for Joe. Yes, all the way in Kumasi. Happy birthday to you, baby. And Yamisha. Now Tom Quandem. The audience Sabeka be on me Yinsha. Now it been so as if you now so ever yesterday. Enjoy your day.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
And Kobe Bia.
Cherry Justice.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me twetwe me se. E ma me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite go so na me sre a. E yo wanwan hu. Me de Kale Chaco toothpaste e twetwe me se. Oba de ni pa e bo bidie mu no. E ne de aye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mwawa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye e ne numunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yeti center for.
Me de magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
En kane no ani ma me nim di bidie twetwe yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayin kabia. Ma wonum ye ram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile. FDA, Adi, Jodin Kato Yatumo.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma drinks. You can achieve. Oh yeah, clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We bet the lotto Ghana Padia and one they were 539 direct. The best lotto game in Ghana. You will hear say Ubinya 5 solid magic numbers. A free bako equity 39.
Wow! Our fat winning no e so
Abra Nedino. What the 2 Ghana cities pay and a 2 you. And to also call star 446 hash across all networks. Ultra direct one. Ubedi 20 times Sika Udi try. Ultra direct 2. Ubedi 45 times Sika Udi try. And a direct train so Ebema the 400 times. Wait me a try. They want 539 direct. I was selected lotto kiosk. Yeah. Wakana Fananina. Afa. Winning no e choke. Kwame so energy. Winning no the choke ampa. They want 539 direct. Afa.
Winning no e choke.
Junior, and to celebrate your everyday bro. Hey, me see, 6 months near me mama enya phone fufro. No so woni me bia camera ne crash. Junior 8 the 9th anniversary. Na de nyama sonko na eba wa kwemu. Inti pekwen bi fa so na fa spread obi. Junior, your everyday delivered.
Oje ko iswolo.
Inzina ololoto.
Miniamachio.
Oh, Marino, boss. Say dear, one no pa Vodafone so aye de. Vodafone good morning bundle atede. Good morning bundle ma kwa ma ofre Vodafone number bia ope abrayento. Afeye sancho 5 minutes out me the friend network fufuro bia. Say send the 500 megabyte data. E pin so amount. Send so say Vodafone good morning ye adwuma wo Vodafone bundle bia so. Kan ho e na fresh short code 543 and dial *543 hash na fa ho jimu bi. One Ghana cedi. Hey, now with them Vodafone good morning bundle so. It's just a kakra down.
Vodafone. Together we can.
Honey. It's officer unko na wonim Aquataps food safe ana. Say ad ninu ya ba wodi ne debia no. Aquataps food safe. Ana medoro ho. Asa na wedi o.
Omo san so Aquataps water purification tablets. Em omo a omo de ebulo mu nsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, ene nsuo a ehwo nte e de ye wonda ada adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre. Mo san koda yi so mapomudin so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehwo te. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Ene fiefie mu Aquataps abama mo say ebejen etu phone free health top up services limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA aji ejedi enkratu yi atum.
MTN spin the wheel radio. It's simple. Get up your airtime. Now text the spin. Echo 5040. The win price. Simple. And I bet me we need to do 30,000 Ghana cedis. What's me be? And you text the VIP. Echo 5040. Then you 10 points to be on peace. So,
MTN. Everywhere you go.
Love learning. You can love learning. Anywhere, anytime. You can start learning when you decide. Get the best you does to help your kids and brighten the future. Your lesson is the solution for easy learning, no complication. To love learning every day. Download the app and learn for free with your lesson. You love learning, study for a while, and more exams on the go. Your lesson, you love learning, getting better, praise is easy. How when you go, you listen.
Download on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Also available on web at ulesson.com.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadane. Refuse to grow, and your offense swabek. And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a car. No, Yamwa suing you know, a boy who buying every home. And now pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kashi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
Business no a bit to say. So the projections from the first quarter show a higher total gross profit for the fiscal year. A bit me kasa say
Nana, who's not land you? He did the port right.
A bit me to say.
Here are your items. Thank you for coming.
A bit me kasa say
yes, 2 for 10 cedi. Me no 10 cedi. 2 for 10 cedi.
What you know a bit me according and found whole business away. The beer will be your hustle wow. MTN Business meant to enable your business stay ahead of the pack. Trishayen, mtnbusiness.gh at mtn.com. Fred and now was happy. I was 0244 308 111. Now you chill MTN everywhere you go.
Dakwesi, na family planning and any.
Unia, a yasum Giancaso. I figure me to minimum get it snazzy, a dream brave away about Tosu. Wabranya Fena, na Unia. Now by Agin, Unia, I fancy I show my kitchen swingy, and to meet him, the company I just said, you know, your man, I
say, ain't even a year so yes, the caddy be the shopping. Answer our catchery.
Unia, and your kind of yes, Berman sees so much my day. Wow, and one Bomskin, family planning.
Anio, the family planning she say a bebwoni who kenny. Na yin say am winning da bianso ankoba. Muye we nyina no. Monkai se mubedi COVID-19 bambon she no nyina so.
Good Life, Abra Papa, Boniye, and Kaipwe Ghana Health Service, USAID, anyone abua for an edit brain.
Mene kwekwa ne nyine bomu dane din komo say dachi be de ye betu kwaya konkrokro wo wiase afana ko gie nipa afemi wo ha kwekwa frame nra chale August we de me ko chile wo Dubai o de nam kan say no kola grow ne bi it be bisa say na wo sky de ko papi wo Dubai no ma me mo ye say aneo Adansi Travels nti metumi akochire wo Dubai wa bra me ntue sika hebia Wumrenio kaya hoe na yenko gie ni wo Dubai a free 8th August na wotwe mo so papa aye ne juntuni mapa Kwame Eugene ena ko hwebo mu kai hu ni say ye beji Dubai visa ma e de wafru Emirates Airline na wase adwojo ho 4-star hotel papa bi mu fully nyanya na wanyina obetua 8,000 Ghana cedis per ane sidim pem wotwe esan say Adansi Travels e dimfie wotwe eno na ye friend the power of 8 opesa register with the 800 cedis per ebeto ase na wotua kan kakra opentremu bia nso akoye website www.adansitravels.com and afre 0595 500 817 Adansi Travels. Feel life's beauty.
What about too much business? This is a guacumwa. You did pay Numa Hudu. Too much in Faswa. Too much on hotel. Too much BBB. What about too much business? Vodafone too much business. Ma kwama uchusu voice, data, and SMS at any say about boa business. You come Vodafone too much business. Nature say data do what the year business. And do what the year Vodafone to Vodafone calls. Any Vodafone to other networks. What's me sending messages do be open. Mobile package back open and you win. Send a start call 050-777-9000 and I'll send an email for vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Now for who Jim be
Vodafone. Together we can.
This is what we live for. To connect with history in the making. To stream every breathtaking moment. To witness Mbappe, Kane, and all the football greats. To be part of the journey to glory. This is where we live the good and the bad. And unashamedly give our all to the beautiful game. Live the experience. Watch all the Euro 2020 action live from SuperSport on Showmax Pro. Sign up at showmax.com.
Junior, and celebrate your everyday air bro. Hey, me say 6 months near me mama in your phone for fro. No so when me be a camera ne crash. Junior 9th anniversary. Na de nyama sonko ena air bawa kwemu. Inti pe kwem bifa so na fa spread obi. Junior, your everyday delivered.
Hey, what up? It's that time of the year again. The 5th edition of the Ghana Music Awards UK launch and nominees night. Live from the La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Come to La Palm Royal Beach Hotel on Friday, 23rd July, 7 p.m. sharp as we unveil the final nominees for this year's anniversary edition of the Ghana Music Awards UK. It is time for who gets nominated. Are you ready? It's UK and Ghana night, celebrating our music and culture. The Ghana Music Awards UK is brought to you by Alodia Promotions and West Coast UK. Sponsors Nana Kuba Ventures, Zoro King, JL Properties Ghana, La Palm Beach Hotel, Share Music Publishing, many more. Media partners are Adom FM, Joy FM, Adom TV, Joy Prime, Hits FM. The 5th edition of the Ghana Music Awards UK. Inspired by music. Ghana Music Awards UK, recognizing the achievements of our musicians.
Abofo eso ya say ema ye de Euro 2020 jumedi na ebrem no betway for the love of the game ye da mase afi Savannah Paint from Azal Group since 1921 we all go paint some mo so ye da mase mo ya de lodo
ye ko so Adam ase Nivea Men Deep range of products. Nivea Men, be prepared for anything.
it starts with you. MTN, everywhere you go, waiting for you.
Club Premium Lager Beer, brewed with the spirit of Charlie since 1931. CD Low Price Masters, affordable and durable electrical home appliances.
TPS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Allianz Life Insurance, we secure your future.
Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. McDan Group Limited, providing cutting-edge business solutions to clients.
Jamaso, your partner for clean clothes. 2021 population and housing census. You count, get counted.
Ayo, send with care. Ayo, because you care. HD Plus, Philly experience.
Alaska Star Enterprise, your headquarters of quality and affordable workplace and blind test.
Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Tea, Adabido, away. Dr. Amuzu Herbal Center, the pennies doctor.
Therefore, munya suntie me pa na me de asem deda na Adom Travels and Diffie Watchy. Na ne senti, omo package be a minti ni mpani samo da. Afe ma me mo mu. Oyemu Adom Travels say, kai ho na yen kwa Nairobi eni Dubai. Na watch mo so e be ma woni agisa. Say you control Nairobi a mo ho TV so. Sisa draft. Antri kasa me ye frano so hole no. Ube hu bi fili. Asen ko titi aduana show mo numo. Afe so ye no be ko Carnival restaurant. Na ye free ho na ko pie mo Dubai dia. Ye ni rock star Kwame Eugene. Ene be hwia bom wo desert no so. High life music, Papa Pie, Bema was Sasa. No way, na Adom Travels to say, you are 8,000 Ghana cedis spare. Ane, send him promo watch. Kai Huni say, I can't wait by Shasia every 8th August. It's a website www.adamstravels.com. And our friend 0595 500 817. Now we there for 800 Ghana cedis spare twice here. Not you and Kanen Kakra. Adom Travels, fuel life's beauty. Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our keska. Nanso charges some 380 cedis. We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there submit 10 bucks so. Me niati. Se we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so. Akwa network foforo no. Eno so yet na mum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash. Swap. Are you free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network. Be a swap. And so you're free. Masa, into work at them. What I saw you then was sour network and no so move for bra. Vodafone cash says, yeah. Hey, Masa, you keep not to ball. I know. Say, dear. What's send this Vodafone cash? So I got network. Be a swap. Are you free? Send this do be a and print do be a con network. Be a so free. Dial star 110 hash says, yeah, in a send.
Maybe travel quiet baby for be a hoya de na a hot joa a home cup baby womb. Why a crado yanko? Afe kosa. Seni fa benku. Chawanisha afafa. Chaquino. Peter was yes. Na free yoga to Rurano. Bisano say, oh, ma, fun yoga punchy pitch for Fronupi. Na fetchia wano. Na sumu denina. Sanji bio menjai. Kosa. Ma fun yoga punchy pitch for Fronoa e Jojo Wakoman. And Fawon Kosa. Fun yoga. So cool, so good. FDA, aji edredi and crowd to yatu.
Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Yeah, oh, take that kind of one. Spongy. Rap,
Jim FM.
Hey, Kwame, I'm I want to pass our coming in our
Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Sitting in the Musu Munanity. Oh, baby, who was so ready for him. Mitimu Hoda, Yamitimi. Washirami, Manabro, so. Hey, they are in Tidiana, the Ebeba. Nemum, the Enamo, so Beba, no beer. Madame for Pamene, who focus at a friend and the dear, what you mean, man. Say they in Tidiana, the Ebeba. That's what the Enamo, so Beba, no beer. Madame for Pamene, who focus.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Oh Lord, have mercy upon me. Bad friends, some of them down for Abra me frubi apano. What's any baby ameno? No money na pe mafiasie. Yeah. Pele me ho enso me de bongo kedu. Enya dia me be bia kuma bemo. Sabo won kwa na wo wade nyina. Yeah. Aya de la hinti du ya de dia beba. Eso dia na mo no so no die. The way me tan we na yeah. Mama ya papa pulatina.
And that's Stone G, Fishing or Chame Kwame, Bad Friends. Then you cry. I'm saying, I'm making for Vodafone 2 match business, no two businesses are the same. You know, from phone calls between colleagues to the team, WhatsApp group, to bulk SMS to client. Every business has different needs, and the area there, you know what I'm saying? That is why Vodafone 2 Match Business is offering the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. What do I say? And they'll be to me a design wow mobile plans to talk, test. More according to what unique business model. That's what I say. Yeah, bet me a meet you pocket so the amount because Vodafone 2 Match Business amount the flexibility. Bet me more customizing of voice, SMS, and our fake data plan. Yeah, no best fit your business and no budget. Say them can. So now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more in your mobile package at the same price. Period now per day. I'm signing up this year. SMS starts to 050-777-9000. That's 050-777-9000. Or send an email to vodafonebusiness.com. For email for vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Into this one from our comfort crowd there, K Genius. And on him out here, Genius. They want him out where I was saying, yeah, they feel like air twice with their mouth. Make us say, Mommy boats. I say, and road try U10. Okay. I'm starting couple of ones and now. Because there's will be yummy. You no go get me. You no go get me. Today, dear, no. You no go get me. Lie. Because I fear them. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in no time, it's going to be filler time with the president of the Brothers and Sisters Association, Mommy Boats, the front door. She's in the building, y'all. In the meantime, this one here at the back is coming from a comfort crowd there, K Genius, and or him out here, Jen. A comfort, come in. Why are you talking about? Hey. Yeah, man. All right, let's go for filler, yeah? Okay, Mommy Boats. Good evening. How you doing?
Okay, bye, Jerry. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Okay, so
good too,
today we taking it to the streets in London.
We're taking it to the streets?
Yes.
In London?
Yeah, London.
Okay.
Streets. Okay, so by the way, you're looking hot, innit?
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You're looking so hot.
Thank you.
But you still owe me a box of pizza.
We'll think about it because...
You get me a box of pizza tomorrow. You ain't thinking about it.
Okay.
You owe me.
Tomorrow is Friday. We'll see what I'll do. Don't worry. All right? Yeah, we'll see what I'll do.
So, Brad Jerry, you know, it was a Thursday, and we love Thursdays.
Sure.
Because we get to become whatever we want to be.
Sharp.
On Ofie Kwanso filler time.
Yep.
So today, I want to ask a question as usual. You know?
Okay.
So today's question
So am I going to activate the phone lines for people to call? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Definitely.
All right.
Definitely.
So just put out the question so that we'll do it real quick.
Yeah. So the question is going to be, why do men find it difficult to cheat? Brother Jerry.
No, I'm lost. No, that's okay. Come again.
So the question is, why do men find it difficult to cheat?
Why do they find it difficult to cheat?
Yes.
But if it was that difficult, would they cheat?
Brother Jerry, is the question your question?
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
It's for a tier 4. So a tier 4, especially the guys out there. Why do you find it difficult cheating? So, is that supposed to mean that cheating is that easy?
It's very difficult for men. I've come to the realization that it's so difficult.
Okay, so it means the other way around. It's very easy, very cheap for women to cheat. Yeah,
we are not on that yet. We are not on that yet.
Okay, so guys, call us
about my man.
0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Papa, let's pick the calls and then close it up and go home. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, what's your name?
My name is Andrew Harden.
Andrew Harden. It's been ages, yeah?
Yeah, I'm always listening to you.
Oh, okay, but just that you don't call. I got you.
Yeah.
All right, so why do men find it difficult to cheat?
No, I don't think it's difficult. Even though I haven't cheated before, but it's not difficult at all.
Hey,
really?
Are you sure you haven't cheated before?
So you mean if you decide to cheat now, it's just gonna be easy for you to do so, right?
It's very, very easy. It's not difficult. That's why a lot of people are doing it.
All right.
If it's difficult, they will never do it.
Okay.
But since it's not difficult, that's what a lot of people do.
Got you.
Okay. So coming from a guy. Okay.
Let's pick our next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
I like it when the guys call, especially when it has to do with them. What's your name?
My name is Titi, calling from Adom.
Good. Okay, so what's your answer to the question?
A wise man once said, ask a girl. They have all the answers.
Hey, Charlie, you mad pass anyone. No, is it a wise man once said? Ask them.
Don't mind him. Don't mind him. My guys.
Charlie, you do all.
Those of you who find it very difficult to cheat, please call and vindicate.
All right, so let's move on and see if we have another call on the line. Hello, good evening. Yeah, my guys are calling. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Dudedu from Aikote Town.
Good. Okay, Dudedu. Why is it difficult for men to cheat?
No, it's not difficult for me. It's not difficult for me. It's easy for me.
Okay, so, but have you done it before?
Every day I done
oh man. Every day. All right, next caller. Let's see who is here.
Hello.
Good evening.
Fresh evening.
Boss, what's the name?
Yeah, my name is Oli Obibini in Ebri.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right, so
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So go on, we're listening to you.
Oh, okay.
He's long gone. Next caller, hello. Let's see if we can pick it to you. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Seth. So I'm calling from Aqua, Central.
Okay, so Seth, why is it difficult for men to cheat?
Because we always think twice.
Oh, I love you.
No, wait. You said because what?
They always think
twice.
Oh.
You always think twice.
They don't think twice, or they don't think ahead before they do anything.
It is you I've been waiting for, baby.
You hear me?
Yes, I got you.
I said men always think twice before they
Exactly.
Thank you.
All right, thank you
men
too.
Find it very difficult to.
So I think you'll be our last caller.
Okay.
Yeah,
so at least I got somebody to defend that point.
Yeah. So
you know, and I like the reaction I got. I'm loving it.
And we'll leave it up to you. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't want to be a part of it anymore at this point.
But I like the fact that men themselves do not even believe that they find it difficult to cheat. It just tells you that the guys are really cheating. Ofie Kwanso said he's listening. He's in Southport. on, but he's from Cape Coast. He's my guy. So shout outs to you, Ofie Nkrumah. Thanks for listening. I will be out of here. My name is Mame Boatema, the president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. You can follow me on Instagram, Sisto Mame Boatema. On Facebook, it's Mame Boatema. I am out.
Thank you.
For stage, Rough and Smith just to make front page.
All right, so many thanks to Vodafone for bringing us filler here on Adom 106.3 FM Ofie Kwanso.
Confidence.
Now Vodafone is out with something great.
What's the conversation?
Now you can have an even greater